Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Ajaz. In today's video, we will learn about the mindset using an amazing IQ game. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get our latest videos. By the end of this video, you will increase your ability to think outside the box. Grab a piece of paper and pen to get started. The figure shows you 4 squares, A, B, C, and D. 1/4 of square A, B, and C is shaded. Let's start. Divide the unshaded portion of square A into 2 equal and identical parts. Solve on the piece of paper. Your time starts now. That was easy. Now, divide the unshaded portion of square B into 3 equal and identical parts. Solve on the piece of paper. Your time starts now. Very nice. Did you solve that on first try? Let me know in your comments. Now things are getting tricky and interesting. Divide the unshaded portion of square C into 4 equal and identical parts. Clue. The solution is not in the form of triangles, the solution lies in problem itself. Solve on the piece of paper. Your time starts now. That was a bit hard now. Last but not least. Divide the unshaded portion of square D into 7 equal and identical parts. Clue. This was done in the world record of 7 seconds. Solve on the piece of paper. Your time starts now. That's called mindset, my friends. We look for tricks and forget simple and easy ways. Thank you for watching.